Hey guys, I am back with another video. As you can see, I'm in a different area here. I'm actually in Boston for work. And while I'm here, I did some shopping. It's January 6th, guys, and I've already blown my New Year's resolution. I don't know. I'm a mess. Anyways, I did some shopping and picked up a couple things that I just didn't expect to buy today. One of them I didn't even know existed, but it was a combination of features that I wanted in a bag, and it appeared in front of me. So of course I had to get it. So let's start with this. I went into Louis Vuitton, haven't been in there a while. I do have hat head because I've been wearing my baseball cap all day on the plane and stuff. So you'll have to excuse me. But yeah, Louis Vuitton. I got something I've wanted for a long time, and it seems kind of like a waste of money, but I don't know. Speaking of hat head, I don't like to do, I shouldn't say I don't like to do my hair all the time. In the winter, I need to wear hats, so it just makes my head warmer. So I got a gray and white Louis Vuitton beanie. I love this because it's the right shade of gray that I love. I love the logo, and it doesn't have the ball on the top. Hats with the ball on the top, they're so heavy that, I don't know, they don't work for me. But like I said, I have hat head all day today for my baseball cap, so let's see how this hat head looks. Perfect. It's my favorite color, gray. My winter coat's gray. I just think it goes. So anyways, that's the first item that I got. And then the second item I have been eyeing for a really long time, and I just before the holidays, I wasn't going to spend any money, so I wasn't going to get it, but here I was in Boston and they had them and I tried them on and they're so cute. So it is what it is. Look at this. This is the cutest, tiniest little dust bag. I got a pair of Louis Vuitton earrings, and when you guys see them, you'll just know. If you've been following my channel for a while, you know I love silver, and I love hoops, and I love rhinestones. So I'm reduced to the lighting in my hotel room right now, so you can't tell, but these little hoops have like little rhinestones on them. You can kind of see it. And they're little silver LV earrings. Oh, you know what? I have to take out the earrings that I'm currently wearing. So let me just do that now. It's freezing up here. Really cold in the Northeast, but you know, I've lived here my whole life in the Northeast, so it's cold, we deal. That's it. All right, let me put these on. Yeah, none of these, I didn't plan on going shopping today, but Saks is like across the street from my hotel. And when you have a few hours free, here, let me take my hat off for a second. All right, guys, this is what they look like. They're the perfect size for me. I love little hoops with dangly logos. I just think they're so cute. Let me see. And I just think they're the right size for me. They just work. They're silver. They have sparkles with hoops. I mean, I can't beat it. You guys know I love silver. I love anything sparkly, all of that. So with that being said, that brings me to, this is a completely unexpected purchase, was not in the budget. Oops. But I went into Fendi today. If you guys have been following my channel, you'll know that on my honeymoon, I bought my first Fendi bag. It was the mini baguette in the silver crystals with the logo. Then they came out with that same bag, but the crystals were silver with blue iridescent. Blue's my favorite color. Iridescent's my favorite. And I thought, oh no, do I like that one better? And then I thought, no, like I got that bag on my honeymoon. It's special, 10% off in Hawaii. So I love that bag. So anyways, I also have been wanting one of those round bags, and I love the Fendi ones that say Fendi on the bottom. So when I walked into Fendi today, I had no idea this bag existed. It's kind of like a culmination of all the features that I wanted in the same bag. So I feel like I had to get it. And what kills me is it's actually less expensive than my mini baguette, but it's a bigger bag. Anyways, here's the box. It's a pretty sizable box. It's a magnetic box, but for, maybe is it magnetic? I don't know. Let's see. If it is, my box is defective, but I don't care. Here it is. I forget the name of it. I would have to look it up. There's a name for this, but it's on my phone and I'm filming with my phone. Here is the tissue paper. Here's a dust bag. Now, you guys might think it's too close to my mini baguette that I just got, and it is. However, you're not gonna be able to tell in this lighting. It is the new color. Oh, you can kind of see it. It has the blue iridescent in it. So it's the colors that I wanted. But I have been wanting a circle bag. I don't know how I don't know what you call it. One of these bags that look like a circle. The best part of this is that it says Fendi on the bottom and it's in silver. Here, let me do it that way. So as soon as I saw this bag, I was like, oh no, I was not planning on buying a bag, but this is a combination, like I said, of every feature that I wanted, and I didn't even know it existed, and here it is. And this was less than my mini baguette price-wise. It says Fendi right here, so you can undo it, and the strap is in here, and it holds everything that I need. Here's the strap. So I do like it in the circle, like as the circle. You don't have to carry it that way. You can carry it like this. But what I love is that the little crossbody strap, oh, I guess I have to attach it too. Excuse me. The strap, can be worn crossbody, can be worn on the shoulder. So it's perfect. Let me just attach it here real quick. So how it attaches is it just has, you put it in the loop there, and then you just press the leather over the little ball. There it is. So you can carry it like this, which is super cute. You can carry it like this, crossbody like this, which is it's nice. But I just really like the circle feature. So I will probably end up carrying it like this most of the time, and like hand holding it kind of like this, because it's just so cute. They had a small one that's even smaller than this, but it doesn't fit a phone. So that's a no-go for me. Anyways, this is it. Has the Fendi, I forget what it's called. Fendigraphy, something like that. I'll put it in the description box below. Anyways, so this is my unexpected luxury haul to kick off 2025, and now I can't buy anything for the rest of the year. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video.